Okay, what exactly does a blockchain developer do? A good question, Saeed, here. Uh, Now there are two things here. One is uh, blockchain developer. Now, what blockchain developers do is ideally, well, they are to develop a blockchain. We as developers, we don't really go for developing blockchains itself. So there are two ways to see it. We develop on blockchain, right? Now, what we do is we create smart contracts on top of blockchain. Let me put blockchain in this manner. Blockchain is a database, right? Well, for you guys right now it is, right? So be let's try and be analogous to a database. It's very much more than a database, but let's think it like that. For now, blockchain is a database, and smart contract is a way to interact with that database, to change values in that database, to update it, to delete it, and to transact with that database. Like smart contract is that thing that can do CRUD operations on blockchain. You can see that, right? Do not take me for my word here. It's a lot more than that. It's just for you guys, for a basic understanding, so that you can map it, right? And what we do is we create that code that can interact with chain. So now what you can do with that code, right? You can create tokens if you want to, right? Like you asked before that you want to create a token. Tejas asked before, right? That how to create a token or how to create a cryptocurrency for that matter. Like that is one sense. So now what you can do is you can create a token. That smart contract, what it will do is it will create a token and store data in that blockchain, that this is a token, this is a Shiba Inu, and it's assigned to this address, and these many tokens are there. So that is a data storage mechanism, right? The blockchain, and it can store tokens, it can hold tokens, right? And you can then transact on those tokens. So there are a lot of good projects, Chainlink, Aave, Uniswap, all of them have their tokens on chain, right? And on Ethereum chain for that matter, right? And this is one thing. The other thing is, maybe you're getting creative. Let's do one thing. Let's create a crowdfunding platform, right? You can create a crowdfunding platform from those smart contracts. Store data on that blockchain. Just you will not be storing data in your database. Instead, you'll store it in blockchain, right? So these are the things that you do as a smart contract developer. You create such use cases, right? One of the use case could be creating a lottery, a lottery that can be whenever you start that lottery, you can have submissions in that lottery. People can throw money in that lottery, and after that a winner will be there, and that winner could get the whole amount of that lottery pool, right? And you can see these examples, they're present, you just search about this, how to create a lottery contract on Ethereum maybe, and definitely there would be some contract that you can see, some videos that you can see building that, right? So this is one of the use cases of smart contracts. Now recently I heard that a very famous crowdfunding platform, Kickstarter, is also integrating blockchain now to crowdsource the projects that Kickstarter has, right? So that is again a very good use case.